Hi, Mr. Andrew here, and today we're talking inequalities, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. And real briefly on these symbols, the larger open side points towards the larger number. The small pointed side points to the small number. So as I read left to right, I'm going to say this side is greater than that. Okay, and this one would be less than, and then the line underneath just means or equal to. It could be that, or it could be equal to. Either one will make it true. So these are true or false. So here, let's talk about what it means to be larger. Strictly what it means to be larger, if we think about just our natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, as we go to the right, we get larger, and this holds true. Now the opposite is also true. If I go to the left, I get smaller. Even after I introduce integers, as I go left, even though the number appears to be becoming bigger, it's actually just more negative. Okay, you have more negatives as you go left, which is a less value. So here, 2 and 5. 5 I actually don't have marked on the number line, but it's going to be right here. 2 is less than or equal to 5. Well, 2 appears here, and 5 appears here. So that just means that is true. 2 is a lesser value, and the smaller end points towards the lesser value. That is true. So true. Here, negative 3 is greater than or equal to 3. Now here, I'm saying that negative 3, which is down here on the left side, is greater than or equal to 3. These aren't actually equal to, they're actually opposites. So I can't say the or equal to is true. But is negative 3 greater than 3? No. Negative 3 falls on the left-hand side of the number line compared to the 3. So here, this one is false. Here, negative 4 is greater than negative 1. Now instinctually, I say 4 is bigger than 1. But here we're talking about negatives. I actually have more negatives here than here. And if I look on the number line, I have a number negative 4 here and a negative 1 here. Negative 4 is actually more to the left. It is actually a lesser value. For instance, this person would be more in debt if we talked about our negative values as monetary values. So here, this one is false. Negative 1 is actually the larger number. Okay? Now here, 3 is greater than or equal to negative 4. Now here, 3 falls here. Negative 4 falls down here. And in fact, this is true because 3 is greater, it's more to the right than negative 4. In fact, any positive number is going to be greater than any negative number. That is always true, just because of the way it falls on the number line. So this is indeed true. Thanks for listening.